Assalamualaikum students, how are you? I hope you'll be fine. Students, today I'll teach you English B grammar page number 14 and 15. Students, now let's start topic. Opposite words are antonyms. For example number 1, that is a dirty dress. Next example number 2, that is a clean house. ऊपर दिए गए जुमलों में डर्टी और क्लीन ऐसे अल्फाज हैं जो एक दूसरे के मुखालिफ यानी मुतजाद हैं। अंग्रेज़ी में ऐसे अल्फाज को अपोजिट या एंटोनिम वर्ड्स कहते हैं। नेक्स्ट डेफिनेशन, टू वर्ड्स विद अपोजिट मीनिंग्स आर कॉल्ड opposite are antonym words. Next, learn the meanings and spellings of the following opposite words: day, night, black, white, afraid, brave, artificial, real, begin, finish, connect, disconnect, gain, loss, huge, small, inferior, superior, awful, pleasant, doubt, believe, encourage, discourage, future, past, heavy, light, open, closed, thick, thin, difficult, easy, after, before, dirty, clean, enlarge, reduce, etc. Next, rich, poor, empty, full, explicit or clear, unclear, a few, many, honest, dishonest, irritate, calm, up, down, happy, sad, cruel, kind, detach, attach, enemy, friend, fresh, stale, interesting, boring, always, never, ask, tell, broad, narrow, cry, laugh, hold, release, internal, external, big, small, etc. Next, page number 15. Next word is failed, successful, giant, tinny, incomplete, complete, heaven, hell, high, low, hard, soft, intelligent, stupid, ignore, care, jump, sit, long, short, master, servant, quick, slow, run, stop, safe, dangerous or unsafe, asleep, awake, aware, unaware, answer, question, angry, happy, ascend, descend, boring, interesting, etc. Next word is catch, drop, common, rare, cheap, expensive, disease, health, far, near, fast, slow, glad, sad, guest, host, healthy, ill, hate, love, honor, dishonor, in, out, inside, outside, jealous, happy, laugh, weep, major, minor, bright, dark, better, वर्स, बेयर, कवर्ड, ब्लेम, प्रेज, ETC। स्टूडेंट्स आज का लेक्चर यहाँ कंप्लीट हुआ। आई होप you will be understood this lecture. Students, kindly write down this work on your notebooks. Okay, Allah Hafiz.